Hi everyone, this is Irma with my note cards, and once again a short video just with a tip and trick that I think those on a budget can use. The next time you go shopping and the item you bring home has a beautiful, pretty label, I would suggest that you take it, save it, put it in a key ring. And why am I saying that? Well, first of all, these beautiful tags you can use to make a template. You can certainly take these and trace them on your cardstock and then cut out your cardstock and make a pretty tag for yourself to put on your scrapbook page or a card. Okay, here's one that I made by tracing. Okay, this is cardboard. Tracing an item, and I can continue to take this, trace it again, or maybe even use this itself to decorate a card. Let me show you what I did. Okay, now this is a tag that I made. It's very sturdy, as you can see. I made it out of a but a tag that came with some kind of pottery from the Pioneer Woman. This is a woman who has some TV show, I think, on the cooking channel. But when I saw these tags, I said, I don't want to throw this out. So I used it. I actually glued a piece of cardstock that already had a abstract design that I created, glued it on it, made a label, and now I have a pretty tag. So you can see I have, I think, Victoria's Secret or something over here. I don't know, whatever this was. Okay, and here's the piece of paper or cardstock that I used, that I traced it on. Okay, and I could use this again and again to make more labels. And it's just, I think it's just a great idea. Instead of going out and spending money that sometimes you don't have to buy these thinlit dies that can be kind of expensive. If you start making a collection of the tags of items that you purchase and buy, then I think that you can use this again as a template, and you can make beautiful things out of it. I hope that this has helped. Just to let you know, I do have an email list, and on my email list are people who not only subscribe to my channel here, but are on my Facebook group. And so if you're interested, please leave me a message here on YouTube, and I'll get you on my email list. Also on my email list are people who are interested in purchasing my cards, and what I do is send them a free card and give them a coupon code. So if you're interested, by all means, don't hesitate. Have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye for now.